Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PartnerStack brand approvals for campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, visit the PartnerStack website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Campaigns section in the main menu. Click on the Campaigns tab to view your active campaigns. Identify the campaign for which you need to authorize brand approvals. Select the specific campaign to open its details. In the campaign details, find the brand approval section. Click on the button labeled Request Approval. A pop-up will appear for you to input the brand information. Fill in the required fields with the brand details. Make sure to include any relevant links or files that support your campaign. After entering the details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, hit the Submit button to send the request. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Next, monitor the status of your request in the Approvals section. You will receive notifications once the brand has reviewed your request. If approved, you can start using the brand materials for your campaign. If additional information is needed, the brand will communicate via the platform. Be prepared to respond promptly to any questions they may have. Once everything is in order, you can confidently launch your campaign with brand approval. Remember to keep track of all approvals for future reference. This process ensures that your campaign aligns with the brand guidelines effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.